How you doing? My name is Dylan Kowalik. I'm with Hausrath Landscape Maintenance. I've been with them for about 5 years now. I've been working all the seasons with them, and currently right now here in Buffalo we are dealing with our nice winter weather that is pretty brisk, pretty cold, and brings that wonderful snowfall that we love to work with. The Snow Rhino has been with our fleet for approximately 2 years. The Snow Rhino is very versatile when it comes into tight spaces. The zero turn aspect of it makes it very easy for me to get up into near doorways and or archways that are very tight. I can be able to back drag them out with my pusher, where with a snow thrower I would have to approach it and I would start throwing things that were underneath the snow, such as debris, rocks, or anything else that could be caught up underneath the snow, which could lead to damage from either vehicles, buildings, or even people getting hurt from using a snow thrower. The Snow Rhino is nice because you don't have to throw that snow anymore. You can just push it, get rid of it, and it's got a lot of power behind it, so you don't have to worry about back dragging and coming back with your snow thrower and just keep going at it and chiseling it through. The Snow Rhino is here to eliminate that factor of having to use the snow thrower or shovel again. These winters here in Buffalo are tough, but let me tell you, this Snow Rhino is Buffalo tough.